Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to see you again. And we're so happy you're here to learn English with us.
Today, we have a super fun and very useful topic, the weather.
That's right. Talking about the weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English.
Yes, people all over the world talk about the weather every day. It's a friendly, polite way to connect.
Exactly. You can talk about the weather with friends, coworkers, or even strangers.
So in this lesson, we'll learn how to talk about the weather, new vocabulary, and how to ask and answer weather questions.
We'll also do some mini role plays and practice together. So stay until the end for extra speaking practice.
Let's get started.
Emily, do people really talk about the weather that much?
Oh yes, Paul, especially in English-speaking countries like the UK or Canada.
That's true. People often say things like, "It's a beautiful day today. Looks like it might rain. It's so hot, isn't it?"
Exactly. These short sentences are called small talk. They help you start friendly conversations.
So learning weather phrases is great for practicing everyday English and sounding natural.
Yes, and it's easy. Let's start by learning some simple words to describe the weather. Here are some basic weather words you can use every day. Repeat after us. Sunny. Paul, it's a sunny day. Emily, I love sunny weather. Paul, it's so sunny outside. Let's go for a walk. Rainy. Emily, it's rainy today. Paul, don't forget your umbrella. Emily, I like listening to the rain. Cloudy. Paul, the sky is cloudy. Emily, it looks like it might rain. Paul, cloudy days make me sleepy. Windy. Emily, it's windy today. Paul, my hat flew away. It's too windy. Emily, windy days are great for flying kites. Cold. Paul, it's cold outside. Emily, I need a warm coat. Paul, I don't like cold mornings. Hot. Emily, it's hot and sunny today. Paul, summer days are so hot. Emily, I need some ice cream.
Those are great. 6 simple words that you'll hear every day.
Yes, and you can mix them too. For example, it's cold and windy today.
Or it's hot but cloudy.
Perfect. Now let's see how we can use them in real conversations. Let's listen to Paul and Emily talking about the weather while waiting for the bus. Good morning, Paul.
Morning, Emily. It's really cold today, isn't it?
Yes, I can see my breath in the air.
I think winter is coming.
Definitely. I hope the bus comes soon. I'm freezing.
Me too. Next time, I'm bringing gloves.
Good idea. See? It's a short, friendly conversation, perfect for small talk.
Yes, you can talk about the weather while waiting for the bus, in an elevator, or at work.
Now, let's learn some more weather words so you can describe any kind of day. Snowy.
It's snowy and cold today.
Look, the ground is white.
I love snowy days.
Stormy. It's stormy tonight.
I heard thunder.
Let's stay inside. Foggy.
It's foggy this morning.
I can't see the road clearly.
Drive carefully.
Cool. It's cool and nice outside.
I love cool mornings.
It's not hot, not cold, just right. Warm.
The weather is warm today.
Spring is usually warm and beautiful.
Warm weather makes me happy.
Freezing. It's freezing outside.
My hands are so cold.
Let's have some hot tea.
These words help you describe the weather in more detail.
Yes. You can say things like, it's cool in the morning but warm in the afternoon.
Perfect. Let's practice using these in another conversation.
Paul meets his friend Emily on the street.
Hey, Emily. Nice to see you.
Hi, Paul. How's it going?
Good, thanks. Wow, it's so windy today.
Yes, my hair is going crazy.
Haha, same here. But at least it's not raining.
True. Yesterday was stormy, remember?
Oh, yes. The thunder was so loud.
I couldn't sleep at all.
Glad today's better. Let's get some coffee and stay warm.
Great idea. That's another simple example of a real conversation you can use every day.
Yes, and remember, it's not about long sentences. It's about sounding friendly and natural. Talking about temperature.
Now, let's learn how to talk about temperature.
Good idea. You can use words like hot, cold, cool, warm, or freezing.
For example, you can say, it's very hot today. It's a bit cold this morning. It's warm and sunny this afternoon.
And sometimes we use degrees. For example, it's 25 degrees today. It's below zero.
Perfect. Now let's practice another mini story. Mini story number 3, a rainy day.
Emily wakes up early in the morning.
Oh no, it's raining again.
Paul, as friend on phone. Hey, Emily, are you coming to the park today?
I don't think so. It's cold and rainy.
Paul, on phone. That's too bad. I wanted to play football.
Maybe tomorrow. The weather forecast says it'll be sunny.
Paul, on phone. Perfect. Let's meet then.
Okay, see you tomorrow. That's how you can talk naturally about plans and weather in one short conversation.
Yes. Simple words, but real English.
Section 8. Useful weather phrases. Now let's learn some common weather expressions you'll hear from native speakers.
These are very useful. Listen and repeat after us. Phrases, what's the weather like today? It's a beautiful day. It looks like it's going to rain. The sun is shining. It's a bit chilly this morning. There's a cool breeze today. I hope it doesn't rain. It's getting warmer. It's too hot to go outside. The weather changes so fast.
Good job. These are everyday expressions that will help you sound natural.
Yes, and remember, you can use them to start conversations anytime.
Section 9. Extra practice. Repeat and answer. Okay, friends, let's practice speaking together. Repeat after us.
It's sunny today. Pause.
It's cloudy. Pause.
It's raining. Pause.
It's cold outside. Pause.
It's a beautiful day. Pause.
Now answer a few questions in English. What's the weather like today where you live? Do you like sunny or rainy weather? What do you do when it's cold outside?
Take your time, think, and answer out loud. Great speaking practice.
Let's review everything we learned today.
We talked about the weather, one of the easiest and most common English topics.
We learned 15 weather words like sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, stormy, foggy, and more.
We practiced role plays and learned phrases like, "What's the weather like?" and "It looks like it might rain."
And we learned how to make friendly small talk in English.
That's right. Talking about the weather is a great way to start a conversation anywhere.
That's all for today's lesson. Let's talk about the weather in English.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Learning.
And tell us in the comments, what's the weather like in your country today?
Keep practicing English every day.
And remember, rain or shine, keep smiling and learning.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.